Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your LG washer door boot seal. Before starting, always ensure your washer is completely disconnected from both power and water. Safety is paramount. Gather your essential tools, such as a few screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, and, of course, your brand new replacement boot seal. Also, prepare a clean area and protect your floor from any potential water drips. Now, let's remove the old seal. First, locate the outer spring clamp that holds the boot seal to the front of the washer. Use a flathead screwdriver or pliers to carefully pry it off. Once that's done, gently pull the boot seal away from the front panel. Next, reach inside the tub to find the inner spring clamp and detach it. Remember to disconnect any small hoses or components attached to the old seal. Installing your new boot seal requires a bit of patience. Carefully position the new seal around the washer tub opening, ensuring it's seated correctly. Next, secure the inner spring clamp firmly around the new seal, making sure it's snug. Then, align the boot seal with the front panel and reattach any small hoses you disconnected earlier. Finally, reinstall the outer spring clamp to hold everything securely in place. You're almost done. Reconnect your washer to both its water supply and the power outlet. Before loading any laundry, run a short, empty wash cycle. This is a crucial step to check for any leaks around your newly installed boot seal. Carefully inspect the seal for proper seating and any water drips. Once you've confirmed everything is dry and secure, put away your tools and enjoy your refreshed washer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.